Cheers, and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. This is a flash Citra Session Ale from MoreBeer. Yes, you know I'm going to leave links down below, but this is extremely hazy. I said it was hazy.
Haze.
He's like, it's all haze, man. And he goes, oh my God, it's all Citra. And it is, to a degree. The recipe basically was 5 pounds of a pale ale dry malt extract, and then it was a hop bite, which I don't know what's in that, but basically it's a hop extract liquid to give you your IBUs, and it gives you a 30 IBU shot per shot. And then I had 2 ounces of Citra cryo hops, so it's like, instead of 2 ounces, it's more like 4.5 ounces worth of Citra.
That would explain it.
Thrown in during fermentation, so it's kind of like an early dry hop right in the beginning. Flash yeast, I don't know what that is. And the difference between me and other people is that I did not ferment this at room temp. I fermented this at, I believe it was 68 degrees using my glycol system. So I do have a little bit of an advantage. It does come with a cool handle if you're into kegging, have a tap. But yeah, here comes the taste test.
That is cool, yeah.
Yeah,
So you just peel it
they sell the handles. I think the handles are like $15. And then you cut it out with a little pair of scissors or something. Or if you're like me, a razor blade. But yeah, got an amazing aroma.
It's just pure Citra.
Yeah. I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with Citra. It's just a really nice hop. Oh, and this is sitting right at 5%. It started at 1.046, ended very dry. I was playing with the fermentation temps, and it went to 1.008.
Actually, a session.
I was joking before we started the camera.
9% or something.
Yeah, I was like, hey, I think I screwed this up. I think it's 9%. He goes, how did you
mess
do
it
that?
up that bad?
It's like, just kidding. It's only 5. It's nice.
I actually like this a lot more than other Citra hazies. It's not as like overwhelming mouthfeel, which is normally why I don't like hazies that much.
Yeah, it's not. I don't mind hazies.
They're fine.
I don't like hazies that are borderline milkshake, where it's like thick.
Yeah, that's my problem with
No. And Steve, the apartment brewer, did this. He wasn't that impressed. I don't know if he used temperature control to, ferment it at. So there's some varying differences. I don't know if he let go up and down all day with whatever his room temp was. But that's something to take into consideration. This is designed for people to not have to buy brewing equipment. You still need a fermenter. They do offer the Fermonster, which is a great value. Yes, like I said, I'll put links below, but it's a great value for someone who's just starting out and they want to just buy basically an inexpensive fermenter. This as a kit, they don't have to brew it, they don't have to do anything to it. And sadly, you will have to bottle, which is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's kind of like paying your dues in home brewing.
All right.
But yeah, I'm gonna say it's nice. It's very nice. Like you said, better than some session hazies you've had elsewhere.
It's very clean. It's all citrus. So again, Citra can't go wrong.
It is a little on the light side, but I did have a 6.8 Vienna lager a little earlier. So
this is really nice though. This is like a summer beer.
Oh yes. It screams summer. It definitely screams summer.
I mean, obviously it's not summer here, but that's fine. It's Florida. It'll warm up someday.
That's better. Now that I had a little bit of water, I get more of the taste.
I mean,
it's very nice. Yeah, this is not a bad beer. I know it's just a flash. It's not you're sitting there brewing it and everything, but I've had worse all grains than somebody trying to do like this.
Yeah.
And commercially, I've had beers that I didn't like.
It's crisp, it's clean, it's citrusy. It's nice.
This would be a great thing if you don't have time, and I would say more so for the summer months or warmer months, just because it's drinking super light and it's just really nice. This would be the beer I would say to do for your early summer. This could be like an amazing lawnmower beer.
I'd say, or you're just having a barbecue midday, right?
Oh yeah, because at 5%, you're not going to drink this and go, dude, I need to go sit down. You can be like, yeah, we got this. Let's go play horseshoes. Darts.
Put something on the smoker, whatever you're doing.
Yeah, this would be
out for a while.
This would be a great beer. But yeah, kudos to MoreBeer. This is a very successful beer. Look at that. I mean, talk about head retention. And you got it all over theirs too.
Yeah.
And I've talked to Steve, and MoreBeer, it appears that these DMEs are kind of custom made just for them. So they're not just your average DME, just a heads up on that one. So there may be some additional malts going on that you wouldn't expect. Maybe quite a bit of carapils.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm going to say success. Very, very nice. Very drinkable. Assuming you have temperature control. If you don't have temperature control, I don't know. Your mileage may vary. I have amazing temperature control, so mine came out just great. I'm good with it.
Yeah.
Cheers. I'll be drinking this when I get home and get off work each night. That'll be my go-to.